Guys, good morning. So it's past 12:30 na actually. So I'm very late to start my day, but I'm on my way to Old Quarter. So I'll spend my day there na lang siguro kasi naikot ko na kahapon yung Café area where I'm staying. So join me as I explore a part of the Old Quarter today. Come on. Thank you. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. Ay, may Starbucks pala dito. And, asan na yun? Dito ako pupunta. However, parang gusto ko matry yung Chou Steak. For day 2, my plan was to finally try the famous bunchata. But then, I saw Chou Steak. And after a whole day of buncha yesterday, I thought, why not mix it up? So instead of noodles and grilled pork, I went for steak. No regrets here. Just listen to that. To be honest, I wasn't expecting my steak to come out on a sizzling plate. I thought it would be a hot stone, classy and controlled. But no, this thing came out spitting oil like it was out for revenge. Good thing I had a big bag and an extra shirt with me. Consider it my makeshift armor against flying grease. And honestly, that's the thing about traveling alone. You always have to be ready for the unexpected. 1 minute you're ordering lunch, the next you're dodging flying oil like sealing Honmoon in Demon Hunter. Same with life. You can't predict what's coming, but a little preparation and a backup shirt goes a long way. After that life lesson-induced brunch, I headed to Café Giảng for dessert, which, plot twist, was egg coffee. I know. Egg coffee for dessert sounds questionable, but trust me, it works. And honestly, it's one of the best things I've ever had. Creamy, rich, and dangerously addictive. The only warning I'll give is this: don't finish the froth before sipping the actual coffee. Unless, of course, you want to stay awake for a week. That was a hella strong coffee. Hanoi really knows how to turn simplest things into full-blown experience. Who knew eggs and coffee could be this iconic? Since I had no real plan today, I randomly walked into a spa for a foot massage. Great idea, right? Well, in theory. Because after that, I just kept walking and walking and walking until I was basically showering my own sweat. Very glamorous, I know. At that point, I gave up and booked a grab bike to the cafe I saw online. And let me tell you this, that 10-minute ride felt like forever. Picture hundreds of motorbikes fighting for the same 2 inches of the road, horns blaring, everyone moving like it's a video game with no rules. I actually closed my eyes halfway just so I wouldn't stress out. If I can't see chaos, then technically it's not happening, right?
In the silent night, The shadow of loneliness stretches in the
But when I finally arrived at the cafe, it all made sense. The place was homey, vibey, quiet, the complete opposite of the streets outside. And I realized maybe that's the deal with travel. Sometimes you have to go through the chaos to really appreciate the calm. Hanoi felt like it was testing me with the ride, only to reward me with this little pocket of serenity.
The rain drips outside the window, the sun.
After a few hours in that cafe, I headed back home. And you guessed it right. I took another motorbike, as if I hadn't learned my lesson a little earlier. But that's travel for you. Convenience wins, and time matters. So I stayed in again for the night, and just like day one, I realized these quiet endings are just as important as the busy mornings. Travel isn't always about cramming in one more landmark or chasing one more night market. Sometimes it's about giving yourself permission to slow down, be still, and to recharge. Because the truth is, when you're traveling solo, you're not just exploring the city. You're also taking care of yourself along the way. And that balance is priceless.